Hello, hello, our dearest viewers. My name is Navaso Jonathan, and I'm very happy for you guys that you continue following our videos. Today, we're going to take you on how you can create a business logo. For example, want to design this logo, business logo, within 5 minutes. Yeah, thank you so much. So you come to your search tab and you search for Photoshop. We're going to use Photoshop. So after Photoshop, I think you can view Photoshop here. Just open it and then you drag it here. So this is our logo that we wanted to design. Okay. So how did we come up with such a design? How did we come up with such a design? Okay, first of all, this is our dashboard, and this is our new layer that we are working on. So first layer. So our second layer, it's an eclipse. So how do we get an eclipse? You just bring your mouse here, then you come to eclipse tool. So eclipse tool, you just come and draw something you want. You can see that. You can move it aside. So when you want maybe to give it, to change color, you can come to fill and then you have any color, it will change automatically. Yeah, so let's assume that maybe we don't want any color, we just come and play. However, now to bring this this blue line to stroke, you come to stroke, and then you change the color you want, maybe to blue. Then after changing to blue, you come here on the pixels, you increase on your pixels. So that is 1, but we're going to make it maybe 5. Once you make it 5, you see it has increased somehow. Let us make it maybe 5. Yeah, so that is 5. You want to make it 10. If you want to make it 10, you can still do the same thing. And hope you've seen it has increased in the size. Yeah, so that is our eclipse. That is our eclipse. And this is what we have done at the moment. Yeah, so what next? We are going to draw a hand. What we call this hand. For the hand, you can easily Google. In case you don't want to disturb yourself, you Google. Maybe write right hand shaking. Right hand shaking. You go and download the table, and after that, you can download. So you just come and get any image here, you download it, then you just drop it to the other, to your Photoshop dashboard. Another thing we are going to look at, we have Eclipse 2. With Eclipse 2, it's where we're going to draw the other flowers. So we have just included this thing to at least bring us to a view of an eclipse. Yeah, so that is our first part. So we are coming to how to put the flowers to make our logo look so nice. So what we're going to do, let us first make this one viewed. You've seen how it has come. We can. So how can we draw this? Let me teach you how we can draw these flowers. So first of all, we're going to come still here, and then we go to custom shape. The other one was Eclipse, and this is custom shape. So after clicking the custom shape, you're going to come here, up here on the shapes, and then click on this arrow. Then you come to the settings, you click on settings, then you say all. After saying all, you come and look something resembling that flower. So me, basically, I use this one. You just look around if you can get one. So you look around, you look around. So you can get any design you get that you think it can work for you, then that's what you can go with. Yeah, so for this flower, we're going to use which one can we use? Which one? Okay, let's assume that maybe we're going to use this one. Okay, let's first take this one. Just press that. We have taken this one. So how can you draw it? This flower can be drawn as in you just come, you see this, and then you do like this. You see? Yeah, in case you want to change the color, its color, you can come and just press on it. We have filling. You can come and fill. You see, it can change. It can change to any color you want. Yeah, but that's not what we wanted. This is not what we wanted. We delete it. So what we're going to do, let's just use this one flower. I'm going to group. Sorry about that. Say this. So I'm going to copy this one flower. And copying it is Control and then Alt. Control and Alt. So what we're going to do, we're going to design the way it is here. And how to design it, we're going to just cut this one. And then so we have made two of them. So after that, okay. So you can design it in any form you want. So let's assume that we have also this one. So I think now you can see the way it is. So these two, you can easily make them a group. And then once they're in a group, you can move them the way you want. So that is how it can be done. And what we're also going to look at, we're also going to go on the left part. This has been the left, on the right part. Yeah, we can also do that. The same thing we have done here. It is also there. And then what else can we do? Now we're going to type the word mankind onto the top of this logo. We're going to type mankind. So once you type mankind, you just come to typing. Then you can come and type anywhere. You can see that. So with this, you can go to the font size, do whatever you want with the font, to change automatically. You can increase the size, you change it automatically. You can put it either in strong, you can say bold, whatever thing you want. So at the moment we are typing mankind. We're gonna type mankind. However, this is not necessary. We just edit it. So we're gonna type mankind. And you've seen how it has come, but how have we made it in such shape? Once you reach here, you just come here. As you're typing, you come to this key. So here you choose whatever thing you want, whether you want it straight, whether you want it in an arc form, whether you want it in a lower uppercase, whether you want it upper arc. So we have many things. If you want it in a flat way, you can do it everything you want in a fish way. Yeah, so this is how best you can do this. This is how best you can do this. Yeah. So so basically that's how best it can be done. And when we come to saving, you can come to file, when you come to save as. So you can add the name. If you're saving it as Photoshop PSHD, you just come and you can check on where you want to save it, then you come and click save and okay. And if you want to save it as an image, you can come and save as. Then you come here and you go to JPG and then you click save and to automatically be saved. Yeah, so basically those are some of the steps that we use to save this logo, and I'm so much appreciating. Thank you so much. Wish to meet next time.